Hey, Red.
God, tell it. I hope they
Red.
don't
How
cross
many
our
pets do you
line.
have? How many pets?
2.
You know what's funny?
But I used to have
Actually,
3.
is a little basket full of 4 kittens.
Damn.
I have 5. I have too many pets. Too many
If none of my pets have died, I'd say I'd have 4 pets.
Bro, you know what's
It's
funny?
just
I have
too
5 turtles,
Points for singing.
3 cats,
17.
no, 4 cats,
I got a
3
dog, a
dogs,
tortoise,
1
fish.
bird, 2 ferrets.
What else?
Where
And
Yeah.
did the other guy go?
oh, he
I
restarted
don't
his
know.
game.
Oh yeah, he had to restart his
Still
game.
on there. You know what's crazy? I'm actually
Can I
really
just do
nervous.
the Squidward impression?
I'm in.
Just do it.
Yo, why did I hear clapping?
Alright, guys.
Yo,
And I like
the heck?
2 big burgers at McDonald's. The burgers are tasty
Got
and
no
I like
burger.
eating fries.
Are you back?
Cosmetics have been emoji.
Yeah.
Alright, coming back.
I just did the
Oh,
the.
don't question why I
Do
look
you
like
want me to do
Elliot.
the impression again?
Hi, I'm Sponge.
It's just my new fit. Like, hold on, I'm gonna go change.
We have to
Alright, who do you rate the red?
So sorry. We have to reheal again, bro. I bet you're.
Oh my
I don't
gosh.
want you to get angry since we have to reheal this chapter time. Alright.
Wait, do I do the Mickey Mouse?
Like, look, I don't look
Yeah.
like Elliot. Actually, I don't.
So
Okay.
lag.
Hi,
Alright,
guys.
Mickey Mouse.
I am Mickey Mouse, and I like making friends all the time.
That was good.
That was actually pretty
Nice.
good. I'll give it.
Is here Squidward next?
Oh wait, let's say Squidward.
Hi. Wait. Hi. I am Squidward, and I like to make burgers at McDonald's. I like eating the fries. Sometimes I throw the fries at kids.
Oh, I have to get on a 9. This
You have to give
solid
it
9.
a shoot. I will give it an 8. Wait, I'm
So
sorry,
you are tied
8.5.
with Gray right now. So
He's tied with
No, I'm
me.
giving it
you're tied
8.5.
with Gray right now. Let me unmute everyone first.
No, I said 8.5.
Go!
Wait, does that mean he's first?
Tied.
I'm nervous.
Nah.
Alright.
If you
gonna
move,
jump
don't move a muscle or it will use force.
Alright, you're
I'm
up
up
next.
Yep.
Ah, I'm gonna use force. Ah!
The jukes.
BSSNF, I have the
And
talent
yes,
of
it's
singing. I have a YouTube channel
Oh!
and I'm gonna be singing past lives. Alright. Past lives couldn't ever hold me down. Lost love is sweeter when it's finally found. I've got the strangest feeling. This isn't our first time around. Past lives couldn't ever come between us. Sometimes the dreamers finally wake up. Don't wake me up, not dreaming. Don't wake me up, not dreaming. 10, that's a straight 10.
10?
Yeah, I'll give it a 10.
What? I'm in second now.
Let me
First life. Oh, first life.
Good. That was actually really good.
I'll give if I could rate that, I'd give it a 10. I'd give it a 10.
even on the contestants, even the contestants are voting for
Yo,
you. Alright.
I guess I'm in second. Hey, second's still pretty good.
Alright, that's gonna be
Second
the end of the, I can't even speak. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Bye. Everyone say
Bye
bye.
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 Bye. Bye. Bye.